yata yung mga puyat ko for the past 10 days. It's more than 2 weeks, so sinisingil na ako ng mga puyat. Taas ng BP ko ngayon. Kaya yung mga tanong nyo, pag mag-cause yan ng taas ng BP ko, aalis ako ha. And bago yan, I will invoke my right as a PWD. I'm a PWD, so at least give me 20% discount of your manner of questioning. So alam po naman yung mga tanong nyo eh. Sagutin ko na lang. Number 1 question, ito yung sagot dyan. Okay, ang first statement ko siguro sa inyo, I know you have read the documents. We posted that in the DCPO page. Maybe some of you are alarmed by it, or many of you became serious about it, and maybe some of you would want to know if it's really my literature. So my answer is yes. And yeah, it's true that we have 5 members of the pastoral who are with us. Not necessarily that they are in our custody, but we are on speaking terms. After this press conference, no more talking, because let me do my job. Kasi I have not taken the sorry statements yet, so it's very premature for me to make all these things. But to give justice to your presence here, that's why I came here. I'm about to i-cut ko sana yung press briefing ngayon. But pinasendan ako ni Hazel ng photos niyo that you are here. Very hungry of my statement. So I'm here. So the KOGC drama is finished. I think it gives us a big relief for every one of us, especially in the area of the airport, causing much troubles there. I will not tell you one by one about the specifics of what we have done, but sometimes it becomes a gray area under the law. Kasi imagine about 15, tama ba ako, o 16 days, 16 number up to September 8, na nag-operate yung mga police force doon continuously. And well, nakita na ninyo, may mga diggings inside because we conducted investigation. And there were challenges. Sometimes you call it obstructions in the investigation. We were called on Senate hearings. I think about 3 hearings. Dikit-dikit na Senate hearings. Apart from the legal challenges posted by no less than the lawyer himself, si Atty. Torion. Well, I have to make a statement that I have nothing to do or I have nothing against Atty. Torion or members of the KOJC. Wala akong masamang tinapay sa kanila. Ang gusto ko lang i-narrate sa inyo are all the statements gathered from the alleged victims of a certain Pastor Apollo Kibuloy. Just that. Doon lang yung yun lang yung sasagutin ko sa inyo. Mga speculative questions, I will not answer. Mga speculative questions ninyo, I'm sorry but I will not answer. So, let's be factual. With that, maraming salamat pala sa inyo doon sa mga cooperations ninyo sa paghintay until si Mr. Apollo Kibuloy was put under our custody. So he's in Camp Crame now. I think he is now being prepared to be brought to the regional trial court. So thank you.
Sir, you mentioned earlier lumapit sa inyo personally. Yung ibang babae lumapit sa inyo personally. Nag-react.
Yes.
What are ilang ages sa mga ages mo?
25 daw.
Kailan sila? So, sabay-sabay sila, di ba?
No. Dalawa pumunta and then yung remaining 3, they came in one by one. No,
Sir,
I would like to correct na dalawa lang yung physically nakausap ko and yung tatlo on video.
When was that, sir?
After the Senate hearing.
Sir, can you elaborate on the specific allegation of these 5 young girls against Pastor Kibuloy?
I have been impaired here.
Can you elaborate, sir, yung specific allegations na nila?
They were raped by Pastor Kibuloy.
Nasa Davao sila, sir. Nasa Davao sila. During the incident doon sa QJC, nasa Davao lang sila. Or history na nakausap mo is nasa ibang bansa.
Well, somewhere here, at yung iba wala dito.
Sir, anong nationality, sir? Puro Pilipino ba?
Hindi ko alam kung nag-change na yung nationality yung iba, but I Bisaya man.
Sir, do you have tanong mo na, ano po yung purpose ng, ano po yung napudyok sa kanila na lumapit at nakausap ko sila? Ano po yung
Reckon from the time na they went out of the compound of the KJC, talagang gusto na nilang magsabi rin ng katotohanan. Pero the adamant at that, kasi sino ba naman ang magustong magsabi ng ordeal niya, rape, sexually molested and all that. So, the culture of the Filipino women, talagang it's very hard for them. Ano na lang mangyayari sa mga yan. So, shattered dreams and all that. Kaya lang, yung the truth inside na dinadamdam nila for the past years, it keeps biting them. So it's an stress talaga. Ako nga, na-stress pa, nakikinig lang ako, na-stress nga, until now, I'm stressed. So, with the found common ground, between them and me, may common ground. So, sila yung nag-ano sa amin. So, I'm very thankful with them that they found confidence with me. And so, I was able to have a short communication with them.
Colonel, may mga short statement pa ba sila? Kasi kung wala naman, baka allegation lang din.
Hindi, kaya nga, sabi ko, after this, no more talking. Kasi kukuha ko na sila ng statements.
Medical records, sir. Medical records.
Yeah, kasama na yan.
So based on their narrative, does it happen once or makailang ulit? Paano po yung narrative?
At the age of 13, they were started to be raped. Kung umalis sila ng at the age of 18, so i-compute natin. Kasi doon naman they are members of the pastoral. Dalawa pala ang pastoral. Isang pastoral of the innermost circle and pastoral of the inner circle only. Ang subject to sexual carnal desire are the pastoral on the inner circle only. At ang buffer ni Pastor Kibuloy yung pastoral circle lang. The inner circle, sila yung taga-filter kung magrereklamo ba yung yung nasa innermost circle. But karamihan ay hindi nagrereklamo. So maybe that's your question. Bakit hindi sila why only now? They've been sexually molested since the 12-year-old. So, ang sagot dyan, they were shaped, they were brainwashed, indoctrinated, until such time that they were, they accepted their faith. But mali yan under the law. If it is sexually molested, minor at that, is a clear violation under the law. And so, sabi ko nga, they were prepared, and then ripe enough, yung hinug na talaga sila, for Mr. Kibuloy to perpetrate his carnal desire, ay then papasok na siya to do the final rites. Actually, yung sexual activity na yan is a final rite before you can become a pastoral of the innermost circle.
Sir, you're expecting more women na lalaki po sa inyo?
Yeah, yes.
Colonel, andyan pa sila sa loob na ngayon ng compound? Di ba?
No, they are out of the KOGC compound.
They are former members, sir. Former
I said they are members of the innermost pastoral.
But former members, they're no longer members of the KOJC right now.
They are no longer member, but their communication inside.
So, sir, based on your statement na natatakot sila because of the angels of death, can you elaborate on that?
Okay, ganito. Good. Tama yung question, ano? Breaking code of secrecy. Rape victim at that. Sasabihin sa kanila ni Pastor Kibuloy na you are offering yourself to the Almighty, to the Anointed One. And so, by doing that, you will go to heaven. Kasi you're very near to the Anointed One. So, kung ang tanong dyan, natanong ko rin well, can I ask you, does that mean that you are de-virginized? Kasi there's a sexual action, di ba? So, sabi nila, ang sabi daw ni Kibuloy, I know because it's not Kibuloy entering them anymore. It's the Spirit entering them. So, therefore, they are still virgins. So, they believe on that statement. And these are propositions. These are declarative sentence. Conclusion na yan. Mga sinasabi na ganyan. So, they accepted those kind of statements of people. Maybe because of the shaping, maybe because of the indoctrination and all that. And maybe there's fear. Now, papasok tayo sa angel of death. If there's a violation, halimbawa, sinabi mo na you were sexually molested by Kibuloy, papasok na yung angel to get even with you. To get even means papatayin ka at pati yung mga genes line mo, mga magulang mo, mga kapatid mo. And then it posted very careful yung situation. So that's the situation of the minors.
Since pumunta sila sa inyo, Colonel, yung mga victims, kasama ang mayor?
No.
Kasama?
No. Ito nga yung kasi dyan yung ibang mga parents nila nandun pa sa loob. They acted on their own. In the hope na hindi malalaman kasi kaya nga general open statements yung sinasabi ko I am not very specific about it kasi baka maapektuhan yung mga relatives nila inside.
Sir, personally, do you believe on the alleged sexual abuse committed by Pastor Kibuloy?
Doon sa nagbigay sa akin ng narrative, yes. I have been with the service for 27 years. Alam ko kung naapakan nyo yung tuhod ko, hindi.
Sir, willing sila, sir, mag-testify? Willing sila mag-testify?
Kukunan ko nga sila ng statement.
So are you going to file cases?
Yes, based on their statements. Well, violation under 7610. Rape.
So, what does it start with po? Na-mention po ng mga victims po.
How did it start yung Okay. There's a foundation offering them for a free education. The poor guys gusto ring mag-avail ng free education. So even their mothers, they brought their children doon sa foundation. And I have to tell you, you know what's common ground doon sa kanila, yung common situation nila? They all come from broken families. So, well, the poor mother, gusto rin nilang maganda ang kinabukasan ng kanila na ang hirap ng edukasyon, they brought them there. And so, binigyan sila ng education. The others, binigyan naman ng free education. But those who were spotted that fits the standard of Kibuloy, kinuha na niya sa KOJC compound and prepared them to be pastoral. Members of the pastoral, preferably soon to become an innermost circle.
So wala na-mention na may nabuntis among those.
Okay, tinanong ko rin yan. Bakit nga ba naman hindi kayo nabuntis? Well, sabi nila, we're talking here of 10 years ago, maybe, or 9 years.
Colonel, nakita mo itong mga victims
magaganda po ba lahat?
Magaganda po sila at may mga lahi po sila. Ang mga lahi nila ay mga European, Americans, at hindi ko ako alam yung ibang mga lahi pa. And they're very beautiful. Yung sa mga lalaki pa, pag nag-usap tayo, 'di ba may mga karta-kartada tayo sa, 'di ba, sa baraha. Well, masasabing ko, ang kartada nila, based on my standard also, it may not fit with the standard of Pastor Kibuloy, but I can say it's kartada 8, 9, 10.
Sir, are you confirming na yung mga room stories? Ano na ba yun? Yung mga gandang room stories?
Yes, it was confirmed by the regional director himself, Gian Torre. Na ano na yon. The bedroom of Mr. Kibuloy is surrounded by the bedrooms of members of the innermost silker, mga minors.
Sir, ano po yung masasabi nyo sa pupunta ng POJC after General Torreseta, he is just imputing practice na yung mga rooms are for the women?
Mayroon namang nag-file na and may magfa-file pa. At ang mga na-file na kaso ay mga sexual abuse. Anong sinasabi nila?
Sir, paano ang protection itong victim? Ano ang assistance ng PN?
Pasensya, may
Assistance
Sa protection nila.
Kaya nga pupunta ako dun sa sa Camp Crame with the RD himself para pag-usapan namin how to address these people kasi di rin ako expert yan. We have WCD for that, di ba? To attend to. But we have to do some extra extra resources. Kasi we're talking here of resources talaga. Hindi naman pwede laway-laway lang tayo proteksyonan, no. We have to bring them to the safe house, bring them to Metro Manila and get their statements there. Kasi takot din naman sila dito.
Pero nasa safe house sila ngayon, sir.
Yes.
Sir, may mga babae na po ba na na-report to this alleged angels of death? May mga babae na po ba na na-report sa inyo na sasailalim dito sa angels of death if lalaman or hindi papayag sa kausuhan?
Hindi ko pa, I did not deal with that kung ilan yung mga patay. But I know may mga napatay na sila.
Sir, aside doon sa 5 na mga leaders ng KOJC, is there anybody pa na posibleng may ginagawa din to prepare these women doon sa ginagawa ni Pastor?
Can you,
May mga iba pa ba na posibleng kakasuhan aside doon sa 5 na may patong sa ulo?
Well, pumasok na yung legal team namin. We have to leave that with them. Papasok yung legal team namin dyan.
Sir, clarification, sir. Sir, itong mga victims, sir, na-embolden sila to approach the authorities after Kibuloy was arrested?
No, before the arrest. So that was, I said that was Friday. After the Senate hearing. Diba, siguro na-entice sila doon sa presentation ni General Torre. You were there naman, di ba? Nakita mo yan, it's very objective naman yung presentation of the good RD. So maybe some people, nakita nila na even you, alam ninyo na we are very serious with it. Hindi naman kami pumasok dyan sa KOJC after that, we left the compound. No, we stayed there. Alam nyo, talagang there were legal battles at daming mga bickerings and animosities. Nagkasakitan pa nga kami dyan. Talagang they fought tooth and nail also. But you know, the determination of the command group, the Chief PNP, the SILG, and the regional director himself, well, sama mo na rin yung konting talino ko dyan at konting tapang ko na as the ground commander. So, hindi kami lumabas. Anyway, kakasuhan din naman nila kami dyan. Hindi one big fight. Kukubkubin namin kayo dyan.
Sir, can you elaborate what you said about angel death? Meron na talagang nakapagod?
I suppose meron. So, can I leave that hugging kasi hindi ko maghanap pa ako ng kung sino yung mga namatay kasi based on their narratives meron na silang mga pinatay. So hanapin ko pa yon. Kasi hindi ako nakafocus kasi diyan sa angels of death na yan. Nakafocus ako doon sa information that we want to get from them kung nandun talaga si Kibuloy sa loob. In fact, sila yung mga nag-confirm na nandun si Kibuloy. Kasi that fires us up na talagang nandun pala siya. Well, to include the gadgets that we have, nakatulong talaga yung statement, yung ano nila, yung mga anong tawag natin ito? Information na sinabi na Kibuloy and others. They are
sir,
still
ang nagbigay na information, yung members ng Angels of Death or itong yung mga victims?
magbibigay yung Angels of Death ng information sa amin na sige Kibuloy? Isa pa rin?
Sir, ano sir, sino yung nagbigay ng information na nandun si Kibuloy sa Bible
Well,
school?
okay, ganito. From the start, we have 70% accuracy na nandyan si Pastor Kibuloy. Mataas na yan. Sa amin na intelligence operatiba, mataas na yung 70%. Ngayon, dumating yung mga equipment. State-of-the-art equipment. So, sabi mo, nag-plus 10 pa. So, 80% na. Tama ba ako? Ngayon, nakuha namin yung mga statement yung mga victims. So, pumalo na siya ng 90% and up. Don't you think hindi mataas na probability yan? That's an A1 info already. A1 means it's an actionable intel. Kaya nakita ninyo, hindi kami umaalis kasi we know it's there.
Sir, just
Loko-loko ba kami dyan na tumira kami dyan? Ang hirap dyan.
Sino nag-facilitate ng, di ba sabi mo, lumapit ang victim sa inyo? Sino nag-facilitate, sir? How did these victims...
Okay, yung tanong mo na yan ay bubulong ko sa'yo kung sino nag-facilitate.
Pero paano sila nag-approach sa iyo, sir? Like, di ba nasa loob sila ng KOJC compound?
No, they are not from the KG, they are out.
Sir, aside doon sa mga babae, may mga staff pa rin na nakaalis na sa compound, like ex-media ng SMNI, na gustong lumapit. Concern daw nila yung assurance of their security. They wanted to give information daw. Kaya lang, yung assurance na ng security. Are you encouraging them na pupunta dito sa DCPO?
Opo.
Assure their...
In-encourage namin kayo na pumunta at sabihin na ninyo yung katotohanan. Wag kayong mag-imbento kung ano ang mga nangyari sa inyo. Kasi ang hirap din namang i-defend yan sa court later on. Makikita yan ng mga huwes. Kaya dapat lang po na yung mga ilalapit ninyo sa amin ay mga totoo namang nangyari para hindi rin kayo mahirapan na otherwise madidismiss lang din naman yung mga kaso nyo. Natin pala. Sayang yung mga resources natin. Now, back dun sa sinabi mo na yes, pwede silang kumontak sa akin personally.
Sir, follow up ko lang sa question ni Mike kanina about the IT leaders may nagreklamo naman sa inyo. Kasi before, yung sa Tamayo kasi may KOJC property doon yung sa Tamayo.
Yeah.
And may mga reklamo na kasi before about sa pagpatay ng mga IT leaders because it was built in an ancestral domain. And may mga reklamo na yung mga family nung napatay. Are you looking into it again? Or mag-isintay pa kayo na before to look into that? Or may lumapit na sa inyong kamag-anak ng mga napatay?
Sa ngayon, hindi pa ako makarelate sa tanong mo. Although narinig ko na rin yung yung report na yan. So, one at a time muna.
Colonel, may information ba from the 5 women na meron pang ibang victims?
Well, sabi nila, they will encourage others kasi magkakakilala naman sila eh. And we will list off the names of the minors inside. May listahan ako dyan. It's more than 15.
How about the minors that were spotted during the
Tyson.
Yun nga eh. We failed to rescue the minors inside.
Sir, lahat ng mga pastora na nasa inner circle, lahat yun dumadaan sa ganung proseso.
Well, sabi nila, doon sa innermost circle.
Innermost circle.
Innermost circle lang.
May mga ilan yun. Ito yung nakikita natin sa TV na kumakanta.
Hindi ako magko-comment muna dyan kasi hindi ko pa nakita yung nasa kumakanta.
Colonel, yung sinasabi mong innermost circle, kaninong term galing?
Sila. Okay, lahat ng statements ko ngayon, these are not my fabrications. I don't even know about inner circle, outer circle, or what. Wala ako dyan. At hindi ko rin kilala yan, but it came from them. That's why I'm relaying it with you. I might fall short doon sa estimate, pero I'm giving you siguro mga 95% accuracy doon sa sinabi nila. I have a recording also. May recording. Ayan, may recording din ako eh. Nirecord ko rin naman yung conversation namin. It's too long. More than 3 hours. Kaya ang sinasabi ko sa inyo, it's a summary na. Unless you want to listen to sa 3 hours.
Baka pwede, sir.
O sige, huwag ngayon.
Sir, just curious lang po, sir, no? Bakit po ito ngayon lang lumabas after the KOJC operation?
Hindi, di ba sinagot ko na yan kanina? Gusto na nila. They're just waiting for the right timing. Siguro na-observe nila na decisive kami ni General Torre. Kahit kayo naman, makikita nyo yung decisiveness nyo without telling us. Makita nyo na talagang we go for broke, di ba? Saka ka naman nakakita ng tumira dyan ng 16 days. Have you seen one like that? No, it's only now. Doon kay Tepes, 8 days ako sa compound niya. Dito, times 2. 16 days, so na-break yung record ko kay Tepes. I'm saying that kasi ayaw naman natin ng injustice talaga. Most especially if they are minors at that. Maybe some of you have children, you have daughters. You can relate more if you are part of the scenario. Maybe some of us nakatawa tayo kasi layo natin eh, hindi natin kamag-anak. But what about those immediate members of the family? Kaya nga nung they were narrating, crying at that, talagang you will feel na nagkulang ba ang pulis dito? Why only now? Bakit ngayon lang tayo mag-solve? So sabi ko, I even ask for an apology for them. Sabi ko, mga bata, humihingi ako ng sa inyo, ng
Sir, balance about the last minute. Kung wala naman. So, about the last minute of the arrest. Because I think that you were one of those who negotiated.
No, I'm not part of the negotiation. I'm part of the ground operation.
Nasaan kayo, sir?
Sa ground.
Nasaan kayo, sir?
Ako yung arrest to lahat sa kanila. And we were prepared.
Did you see Kibuloy?
Hindi. Pero nakita sa drone. Kasi tattered with drones din naman yung Hindi ka makakalabas doon. Si General Torre magaling. Dami niyang inilagay na camera doon.
Paano siya lumabas doon sa building at nakapunta sa hangar?
Well, we give way. Bigyan na namin sila ng daan because there's an order already na arrested na siya.
Ano sir, naglakad siya or sumakay ng vehicle?
A vehicle, there's a vehicle.
From
From the hangar to Tog. To my knowledge kasi hindi ko nga nakita yung yung custody scenario. Na-limit lang ako doon sa ground operation. Kasi kanya-kanya naman kaming sector. So I was tasked to do kung mayroong magreklamo doon, we will effect the arrest. All of them will be arrested. I think about 600 of them.
So, balikan ko lang yung lima, sir. Kailan daw sila magbigay ng testament, sir, statement?
Ngayon, pagkatapos natin mag-usap, kaya tama na siguro to.
Pwede ba, sir? Pwede ba? Lang?
How did Kibuloy came from Bible school to hangar? Because
Meron, he was escorted.
from the Bible school.
Yeah, I suppose there's a vehicle. Medyo malayo nga rin naman yan.
Sir, were you the one who, yung sinabi na merong akong isang commander who, yung required na I have to see the
Kibuloy.
subject of the arrest?
Hindi
Ikaw
ako.
yung representative.
Hindi po ako.
Galing sa Bible school, sir, papunta ng hangar, naglakad siya or
I suppose sumakay siya.
Sumakay.
Medyo malayo yan.
Then
Malayo.
straight sa
Hangar.
open yung gate ng
oo.
airport, then straight to the
Oh. Well, yung mga specific questions yun na yan, better you ask the General Torre siguro. Kasi hindi ako makarelate dyan eh. Baka I might be giving you wrong information.
Colonel, going back doon sa Angels of Death, paano ninyo nalaman yung story about them?
Sila, kung sabi.
Sino, sir?
Yung 5.
Ng mga complainants?
Sir, pupunta sila ngayon dito.
Hindi.
Sabi mo po naman ng
Hindi, ako pupunta doon.
Pwede sa bayan.
Sir, yung lima, sir, dito ba nangyari yung revelation? Yung 5.
Hindi, yung dalawa dito sa akin. Yung tatlo sa video.
Sir,
Outside, sir,
ang dahilan kung bakit hindi sila nagsumbong, nagsalita noon dahil sa political
No, there's no politics here. Okay, i-clear ko sa inyo, no. Wala akong I don't indulge myself into politics dito.
No,
Sir,
sige,
what
sir.
he
Ibig ko
meant
sabihin is, ang dahilan kung bakit wala nagsalita noon dahil sa political connection ni Pastor Kibuloy. Kaya takot sila. Yan ba yung dahilan? Kaya
Basta takot sila. Ang sabi naman nila, he's so powerful, may connection sa AFP and the PNP. Imagine, pati kami natatakot sila kasi tao kami, connected kami kay Pastor Kibuloy and all that.
Sir, based on the narrative of the victims, ano daw po yung participation ng mga pastoral on the alleged sexual abuse?
Whom you're referring to?
Yung sa mga pastoral po, ano po yung, kasi may isang vlogger din na nagsasabi na may mga executive parang tawag nito, para mataas na posisyon din sa KOJC na nagbubugaw yung term kasi niya.
Oo, tama.
So, can you elaborate on that?
I cannot elaborate on that kasi hindi ko rin naman kilala yung sinasabi nila. But there's a middleman na program sila bago ma-execute yung carnal desire of Kibuloy. Also, they made promises and all that. They live like queens and princesses inside as compared to the others. Kasi nakita naman ninyo yung ano ni General to, yung presentation niya. May mga nandun like medicants and all that, beggars, nakatulog sa karton. And then look at the rooms of the pastoral. It's like a palace in Maryland. So you see the difference there. So kung look at the entirety of the scenario, itong mga batang to, broken family that gusto mag-aral. And then sa kagustuhan nilang mag-aral, they were spotted by they fit the standard of Kibuloy. To make the long story short, Kibuloy brought them sa KOJC compound to convert them into pastoral in the innermost circle. Now, bago ka maging member of the innermost circle, you have to undergo such sexual activities. And that's rape already. I call it rape. So, tingnan mo, minors and all that. Kaya sabi ko, maybe Pastor or Pastor Kibuloy is a pedo. He's a pedophile. As simple as that. Or you can find simpler word than pedophile.
Pero ibig sabihin po ba na ilang beses hindi na mabilang nila kung ilang beses na sila?
Hindi na mabilang kung how many Mondays in 1 month? 4 Mondays in 1 month times 12. That's how many years? Can you do the calculation, ate?
Colonel, ilan yung nasa innermost circle?
Hindi ko mabilang pero it should not be less than 10. It should be more.
Colonel, yung mensahe niyo po doon sa mga members pa na hanggang ngayon naniniwala pa rin sa pastor.
Ang mensahe ko po sa mga victims ay ganito. Mga kababayan ko, ito rin yung supposed address namin sa inyo na ito na yung chance for you to come out in the open. Ito na. Arrested na po si Pastor Kibuloy and others. You have seen how decided we were implementing the warrant of arrest to advance your cause. Talagang gusto rin namin kayong tulungan. We came in late lang. We advanced your cause and to seek justice for you. Pasensya na kayo, we came in late. But we are here already. So, wag na nating kasi sabi niya, you are late kasi wag na nating pag-usapan yung kinapos na kami sa oras na maisalba kayo. But we are here na, kaya come out to the open. Wag matakot. Otherwise, yung katotohanan na nasa inyo, nasa puso nyo, will be buried forever. May ililibing yung katotohanan dyan. It will never come out at